Hello everyone and welcome to day 12 of a 15-day series on SQL tricks and traps. Today's video is about the SQL trick, which is like a magic formula to calculating the next occurrence of any weekday. But before we dive into the details, a quick reminder to solve the fun SQL riddle at the end of this video. Let's say we want to write a SQL query to find the next occurrence of Friday. And this is a SQL query that's going to do the trick. Let's split it step by step. To identify the next Friday, we first need to know what day is it today. So we use the datepart function, pass weekday as the argument, and today being Tuesday gives us the output of 3. Please note this depends on the date first setting of your system. For my system, the first day of the week is set to be Sunday, and therefore Tuesday comes out to be 3. Next, we define the target weekday. So we want the next Friday, and Friday is the number 6, which becomes our target weekday in the formula. Next, we need to calculate how far is Friday from today. This step here helps us to do that. Friday being 6 and today being number 3, this output now tells us that we need to move forward by 3 days to get to the next Friday. But what if we wanted to identify the next Monday? So let's change this here to 2, which represents a Monday. Execute this part of the SQL again, and the output now is -1, which is essentially telling us that the previous Monday was 1 day before today. To avoid this, we are going to add a 7 in the beginning to move forward by a whole week so that the calculated result is never negative. Execute this again, and now we know that if we move forward by 6 days, we're going to end up on next Monday. Let's change it back to the next Friday and execute this query again. Now in this case, it is going to give me the Friday of the next week, though we are still on Tuesday in the current week. And to avoid this scenario, we need to use some modulo math to only consider the remainder, which will allow us to correctly move forward to the next weekday. Running this entire query, we correctly get the next Friday occurrence as 19 December 2025. Now that you understand the magic formula, it's time for the SQL riddle for this video. Post your answers in the comments below. If you are able to answer all the 15 SQL riddles correctly, you will win free access to one of our SQL courses. See you in the next video.